Welcome back to this lesson. In this lesson, I want to show you the limitless way of creating any type of website. For a very long time, I've been in this web design industry. I've never come across something that allows you to build anything that you can imagine in terms of quality and simplicity. And I must commend Joomla Page Builder for building such an incredible and fantastic page builder software called Quix. So what you are seeing here on the screen, what you're looking at on my screen, a dynamic website that has been created using Quix Page Builder. So what this simply means is that you don't need to reinvent the wheel. So if you really want to design any type of website for any business, organization or agency, it doesn't matter the type of website or business. With all these examples I have on the screen, you can be more creative. So my advice would be that you visit teamexpert.com and preview some of the website templates that they have on their website to see how they look. So all these templates you're seeing on the screen here are beautifully made high-end designs. So let's take for instance, if you want to hire a professional website designer or a website developer, or maybe you want to hire me to build anything like this for you. You should know that our society is not sold on money, and everything is worthless unless it brings in money. So honestly, you spend nothing less than 80k just to do this for you. But despite having equal passion for programming and designing and also sharing my knowledge, I've decided to show you in this course the easiest way of making money by creating a website, any website that you can imagine. So let's take a quick look at the various categories of websites on teamexpert.com. Here we have the business. We have the business website. Let me scroll down a little bit. You can see all the templates under business categories. We have multi-purpose. We have portfolio websites. So when you scroll down, you see list of portfolio websites we have here. And we also have educational websites. Take for instance, scroll down a little bit, you see it here. We also have e-commerce, multi-vendors e-commerce. You want to be selling products online and many more. So all these things are just various websites under each of these categories. We also have one page that's landing page websites, the news page websites, the magazine, events, blog, and the rest of them. So these are the various types of websites that you can choose and be able to create with no hassle. So there is no limit to what you can design with this course. All you need to do is to apply your imagination and be more creative. You see, in web design there are various ways to achieve a particular goal. So what works for you might not really work for me. So you just have to stick to what you have in mind and use the tools I'll be giving you in this course to make it a reality. So in a nutshell, you can design any type of website to your taste. It doesn't matter the layout, typography, user experience, user interface, or whatever, you can do it. So the possibility is limitless. Instead of paying a developer a huge sum of money to build a website for your business, why not just learn this simple trick, use it to grow your business and save the money for other things down the line. So without further ado, I encourage you once again to keep watching, and keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and you must succeed.